Sure. On the masks, maybe for the doctors.
The what?
On the masks, is the reason why there's no CDC recommendation for the public to wear masks because they're meant to save and preserve the masks for the medical workers, or is it because the virus is not primarily transmitted through the air?
So there was the CDC does have recommendations on their website about masks that came to the task force several weeks ago about if you're infected, wearing a mask to protect others. And if you're working with someone who's sick and you have to be that worker in the household, because remember, we want people in the household being taken care of, that they should wear a mask. I know your question is broader than that, and it's just being considered by the task force now about whether that recommendation that already exists relevant to wearing masks should be altered in any way. So it's still under discussion.
And just about masks, you can get a mask, but you can also most people have scarves, and scarves are very good, and they can use a scarf. And we're only talking about a limited period of time. And it says in the recommendations you can substitute a scarf for a mask. So if people feel that, and I think, some people disagree with the mask for various reasons, and some people don't. But you can wear a scarf, you can do the masks if it makes you feel better. We have no objection to it, and some people recommend it.